So in this lecture we will learn about the wrap or to the transform. Okay, so basically transform is the tool that you can transform the image, just like to increase and decrease its size and make it to the just like perspective, distort, skew. So for the transform you can just press Ctrl T, or if you don't have this tool then you can just go to the edit, free transform. Okay, so here you see the multiple transform, the free transform, and it will like allow you to the these things. Okay, if you don't have this thing just like here, then you can press Control minus and you can see this the edges. Okay, this edges is used to here you can just increase or decrease the width, and from here you can increase or decrease the height. Okay, and if you will just hold, if you are pressing not a single key, just hold down your left key, then you can increase or decrease height and width according to your choice, just like this. Okay, and if you want to make decrease its height and width with maintaining the aspect ratio of this one, then you can hold down the alt and shift key and now decrease, then it will see just like it's my HD the square. Then you can here you can see the height and width is decreasing but with the equal aspect. Okay, and then you just release your mouse key and then release the shift and alt key, and when you click on this one, then it will just save it as like this. For undo you can press Ctrl Z for one time. For multiple times you can press alt Ctrl Z. Alright, and just like if you are pressing the Ctrl T again. Okay, if you are pressing the only shift key, then you can change this from with the just like the equally. The height and width is fixed, we can't change this one, and if you are changing from this one, then the other side is made fixed. You can't change the height and width the just like the custom. Okay, it's still maintaining the height and width as a square, and it is decreasing from only this side. And if you're holding down the alt key, then it will decrease from this side, but you can increase or decrease height and width with equal ratio, just like the width in equal ratio, the height in equal ratio, with only the alt key. So these are the transform with the keys you can move. Okay, and if you want to move it just like this one, the only this side, then you can hold the control key and you can move this one just like this one. Okay, this is actually the like the perspective we are doing. Okay, and it is working just like the XYZ plane. You see the XY plane here, and you can change the uh, image in your X and Y plane. Okay, so it's like this. You can change this one, or you can rotate this image. You can't do for the rotation, you can't do anything. Okay, so first I will just make it decrease, and when you place your cursor here, then you can move it. But you can, if you place your cursor outside of this image, then you can see here this icon. This icon is used to rotate this image. Okay, and this is the, it's like with the expect the fixed point, the point where the all axis lies. If I will place it here and I will rotate, then it will rotate around this point. Okay, so this is the fixed point and it will rotate around this axis, same as this one. Now it will rotate around this axis. Okay, so this is used to rotate the images like this one, and it will rotate around this axis. All right, make it to the center just like this, and when you click on the right click, then you can see the multiple uh, the wrapping tools just like the scale. And when you just zoom in, zoom out, just like to pinch it, then it will allow you to the scale the image. You can press the control key, the okay, so this tool will not work, working of key, because we have just selected the scale. And if you can click on the free transform, then you can work with this case. Now come to the rotate. Now it will make you to the rotate this image. Okay, when you click here, then it will also allow you to the rotate the image. The scaling, the skew, all the tools are not working because we have just selected the rotate tool. Okay, now this one is skew. it will allow you to the skew the image just like this. Okay, you can change the image just like this one, the plane of this image. Okay, and you can also use this one to move around this tool. Okay, so my next is just the distort. Okay, so make it to the center, and you can distort the image just like this. Okay, so basically these are the wrapping of the planes. You can skew the image, distort the perspective wrapping. You see, this is the perspective wrapping. Okay, so just like in the 3D, it is now working. As you see, it is viewing in the y and z plane, but it's actually in the x or y plane because the image is 2D. Then you can it is just seeing like it's in the different plane, but is actually in the x or y plane. So just like this, you can change its angle. Okay, and now this is the wrap. It will allow you to complete wrap just like this one. You can wrap the image as you want. Okay, so this is the basically the simple wrapping, or you can wrap the image from here just like the arc. Then it will make the image in the arc type of wrapping. Okay, the bulk type of wrapping. You can these tools also. Okay, so this tool will also just make it to the horizontal and vertical bulking. It's like the arc. Okay, this is the vertical arc and this is the horizontal arc. Now custom, you can change the custom, and none, it will make you the image just as you give it. Alright, now the different tools are just like the rotate. Okay, so first make it small, or I will cut out the pencil from this image. Okay, the eraser tool. Now this is my pencil. Now I will show the how this tool will work. Control T, rotate 180 degree. You see, it is just rotated my object into the 180 degree. The 90 degree clockwise, then it will rotate my object the 90 degree clockwise. Here you can see the angle. You see the angle is changed 180. Okay, actually it's the same, then it is not showing the it is showing 0, but 90, you can see here the angle is changed. Or you can change it from the different angles like the 45 degree, then it will change my object to the 45 degree, just like the 60 degree, then it is rotate my image. Or you can rotate it just like this, and you see the angle is changing. Okay, so these are the just like for the perfect changing of the angles. All right, now this is the flipping. This will flip my object in the vertical. Okay, and this is flip my object in the horizontal. This is what just like work as a mirror image. Okay, the mirror image in the horizontal, the mirror image in the vertical. Okay, so these are the all about the wrapping of an image.